This is the Masonville Mall, and its lift to outside is possibly the brand new new Masonville Mall here. And now to the first lift, which is a really nice MPEV. OMG, I just got flinged. That's rather strange. No closing on TVs necessary to service. Well, what in the name of God is that? That's also rather strange. Kind of strange. And now to believe in Lift 158's creepy storm, which is formerly known as TKD's last elevator southern best, which is a fishing club lift. Oh, and you know what that is? The clone of TKD's last elevator southern best and all of his future avatars. Okay, time to give him owner admin. Now to the lift. And now to believe in Love's Travel Store, which is another MPEV lift. AFK for. And now to believe near Adams Kone Eco, this lift past store and into belief there, which is another nice MPEV. Oh, no. Is that live filmer? Das ist schei. En så kör jag på TK, så jag ser lite så out of basic in up in the high rail. And now to Adam's Koneiko, this lift part store, where I found that there was no lift. Oh yes, it has a lift. This is a full generation Eco disc. Let's ride it. OMG, epic door close. He did it. He legit did it. No. Please don't close. No. OMG. This is the upper shopping level. How is really in charge of the buttons? Oh shit, please let me out of the lift. And now to the service lift, which is a Schindler M series hydraulic. Yeah, you can try to get me again, lift filmer. Yeah. And now, into the lift near my store, which is a 16-nation step lift. Yeah, you can try get me again. You can try get me again in the next lift filmer 124, because you're gonna get off next time. Oh no, he got me again. That's rather strange. It doesn't got me again with the same autofocus or closes and many other stuffs like. Somebody just came to this lift. That's so strange. Someone coming to this lift. Trying to get to the necessary. There's no guiding me. No. Gonna off you, boy. I'm gonna off you, boy. And now, finally got into my store and into the first lever, which is an OT Series 7.